Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook cover photo. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the top right corner, just tap on the three lines icon. Now simply tap on your username of Facebook. Now, once you are here on your main profile, you can see your cover photo at the top. Now, just upon your cover photo, you can see a camera icon. Now, simply tap on that camera icon. Now, over here, select Upload Photo or select Choose Cover Photo. So, for instance, I'm just going to choose the option of Upload Photo. With that, your gallery will be opened. Now, choose any photo of your choice. So as I selected this photo, all you have to do is tap on the option of Save at the top right corner. If you wish to, you can also share your update to newsfeed by making a check mark on this box at the bottom of your screen. If you don't want to share this update, just remove this check mark at the bottom of this option of Share your update to newsfeed. Now simply tap on Save. Now you can either reload your page or you can wait for a while until your cover photo has been updated. So now you can see that your cover photo has successfully been updated. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.